Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making Melanzane Ripiene, baby stuffed eggplant. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. I'm going to begin to clean my eggplant. I have cut all the eggplant. As you can see, I scooped the flesh and separated everything. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to add the eggplant flesh to my stuffing. I cooked it up. I mixed it up really good. I'm going to begin to stuff these babies. Put these babies upside down. I'm going to put some sauce on the bottom. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.